In this lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to edit a PDF document in Canva. So let's go ahead and get started here. As you can see, I have Canva open. What you want to do is go to create a design. So once you click this, there's going to be an import file button here. So this is what you're going to want to click in order to import your PDF file. So I'm going to click on this and I have a PDF file that's set here. So I'm going to click on this PDF file. I'm going to go ahead and hit open. Now this is going to be opened down here where it says recent designs, right? You see this is the name here, PDF file, and you want to go ahead and click on that PDF file. And once you open it, you are going to be able to edit this PDF file. So if you look, let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit here. So you can see there's different sections here. So if I wanted to, change this, delete some of these, you're going to be able to do that, right? So you're going to go ahead and do that. Look at that. You can edit anything you want on this PDF file. So that is how you're going to be able to do it. You can move things around. You can do all kinds of cool stuff. It's going to be just like a Word document that you're editing, except you're editing a PDF file. Okay. Now, once you're done, you can go ahead and hit share, and you can download again as a PNG, or you can go ahead and pick a PDF standard or print. So you can click that over here and you can download. That's how you can edit the PDF file and download it as well. So if you want to do it again, you can upload it again, and you are going to be able to edit that. So that is pretty much it for this lesson. I'll see you guys on the next one.